Well, good morning, everyone. Here we are. I've got the kids with me with their brand new Challenger inflatable kayaks, and I've got my kayak all rigged up behind them. And here we go. We have the SS Pancake.
Because it gets all flat when you deflate it. Oh.
And we have the SS Chicken Nugget.
I like chicken nuggets.
So we're looking forward to a really fun day today out on this beautiful lake on a beautiful day.
I'm passing down the baton.
Okay. All right,
That
come
doesn't
on.
really make sense.
Hop in. Oh, I'm gonna have to let the kayak. That's okay. Oh well. Good? Whee! All right, buddy. All right, hop in. There you go.
Half a minute.
Trick. Okay, guys, we're gonna head that direction. I feel like a mother goose with my goslings. Little kayakers. All right, let's go. Little guys, independent here. Here comes Sutton. Hi. Yeah, you're faster than I expected. Come on. Your goal is to get the worm into shade. Okay? All right, Aiden, you good? You sure? All right. Good job. Hi. Oh, it feels like a good one. God. Or it's a turtle. Oh my God. What the heck is this? No, I broke it off. I don't know what that was. Here, I'll get it. Good job.
The hook is up.
Good job. You stayed very calm. Good job. Today is your first day with your Intex Challenger inflatable kayaks. This is the K1 single person inflatable sit inside kayak. Each one of the kids has one, as you can see. It comes with a paddle and it comes with a pump and a patch kit, and really easy to inflate. Took us maybe 8 or 10 minutes to inflate each one. So, Sutton, what did you name your boat?
I named mine SS Chicken Nuggies because I couldn't fit SS Soggy Nugget.
Okay. All right. And Aiden, what did you name your boat?
I named mine SS Pancake.
And why is it named the SS Pancake?
Because when you deflate it, it gets all flat. No.
Flat like a pancake?
Yep.
All right.
Oh.
So, Sutton, do you want to give us your first impressions of your new kayak?
Yeah. Okay, first off, it's really, really light. So then when the wind was blowing, I was just like flying everywhere, and there's a goose doing something over there, and I'm confused. Sorry. So if the wind blew, I'd just like zoom across the water, which when I was going upstream was pretty helpful. But when I was trying to fight against it and the wind was blowing this way and I was trying to go that way, it was hard.
Okay. So it's very lightweight. That has good and bad points.
Yeah.
Okay. And so what else other than the weight? How's the comfort?
It's actually surprisingly really comfortable. Like, imagine an air mattress as a blanket and you're burritoed in it and just floating in the water like that. That's what this kind of feels like.
Okay. All right. Well, that's actually a pretty interesting way to look at it.
It's comfortable, to say the least.
It's comfortable. Okay. All right. And you feel pretty secure. You don't feel like it's tippy.
Only if I'm like leaning to the side. Only if I'm going like that. Like a ding dong. Then I feel pretty insecure. Or if like the side is wet and I put my hand and it slips, then I get pretty shook. But other than that, it's pretty it's secure. Okay.
And how's the tracking? Does it track? Like, that means go straight when you're paddling.
Yeah. Unless wind's blowing pretty hard from the side.
Okay. But when you're just paddling, the tracking, it goes pretty much where you want it to? Okay.
Yeah.
So one thing about this kayak is that it does have a fin, which I thought was actually really interesting that they made sure to include a fin, and I'll show that.
I kind of feel like it fell off because I got caught in a lot of weeds.
I doubt it fell off.
I hope it didn't.
I don't think so. What else do you think about the kayak? So it's comfortable, it's light, it tracks pretty well.
It's pretty.
It is pretty?
I like
okay.
the color scheme.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. And honestly, I mean, I'm surprised that it's holding up really well. It's this, the vinyl seems nice and sturdy.
Ow.
Like it's thick. I mean, it's obviously not a Zodiac, but it feels pretty thick. It's not like a pool toy either. So I think that, you know, it's going to hold up pretty well. It's got a lot of nice features. It's got dual chambers, so that's the second filling spot right there. It's got a separate chair that you inflate separately that Sutton is sitting in. There you go.
Very squishy.
Yeah, very squishy.
Very chair-like. Oh, yeah, it has
Very chair. It's got the grab ropes. It's got netting and grab rope on the front, which has actually turned out to be very convenient. So, Aiden, your turn. Why don't you tell us what your thoughts are about your new kayak?
Well, the overall source of the good and the bad on this entire kayak completely is the weight. Some parts of the weight are good, some parts of the weight are bad. Let's start with the good stuff. The good stuff is, with your oars, these are some nice sturdy oars, so it's pretty easy to move around at high enough speeds for an inflatable children's kayak. And second of all, it's easy to transport inside the box. I'm pretty sure it weighed something less than 25 pounds in the box, partly because of its weight and also the fact that it's inflatable. And also, the bad parts. The bad parts is the wind. Even a slight breeze like this one right here can send this thing going. I ran into a tree a couple of times just because of that, how it looks from the outside, and I love it. I love how they did that. I love the color scheme of gray, blue, white, green, and the shape, the way they did that. It's very comfortable. It's like sitting on one of those, on this inflatable pool toy, but it's a little more comfortable. Like it's like a blow-up mattress, like an air mattress. Just less bouncy. I love how they use the fin in the back. The fin, the way, the shape it is, helps you really move forward. I've noticed when I was even putting a little more power into my left side, it would still relatively keep me that way, but also slightly turn. So that's how I know the fin is definitely doing its job. Unless I like lean this way enough, and I put like, you know what, never mind.
Actually, what you just did would tip a lot of kayaks.
If I go
So-
like this,
The fact that this is a sit-inside kayak makes it a lot more stable and a lot less likely to tip or capsize. For example, Sutton's doing here with her legs is actually a great way to tip this boat over.
Yay.
So I wish you would not do that. There you go. Thank
wish
you.
has been
Standing in
granted.
this, just don't stand in it.
Did you see that fish jump right there?
4-pounder.
Did you see that?
Overall, if I gave it a report card score, I'd give this thing probably an A-. I would probably give it an A-, probably because most of the features are great, but some of them are like big ones. They hit you hard every single time.
So
That's why I got a minus.
the minus is that it's so lightweight that it's actually really hard to control it in wind.
So when
Okay.
you stop to fish, you'll start drifting. So you're gonna want to position yourself in a way that that the common wind direction is blowing you along the shore.
That's great. So you learned a lot about boat positioning today, I guess.
Yep.
The kids are pretty lightweight. They're between 90 and 100 pounds. So there's not a whole lot of weight in this kayak. And the capacity is 220 pounds person and gear. So it's rated for, over double what they weigh. And that would explain why they're getting blown all over the lake, even on a relatively calm day. So it's a pretty light wind today, but it is definitely enough to move these little kayaks around. It's probably, I'm gonna guess 8 to 10. All right, well, thank you guys. I really appreciate you giving your opinions and your reviews of this kayak. And yeah, that's awesome. So are you happy with them? You think that you'll get a lot of use out of them?
Yeah. Nothing compares to the Hobie.
Okay, so one great thing about the lightweight, I'm able to tow both kids. They're lashed together and lashed to the back of my Hobie. I'm gonna pedal us on out of here. Woo! Oh, into the wind, so that's fun. I'm towing in my catch of the day. Big fish.